What are they for?
The drop ceiling panels in the saloon.
Right. All the focus is on the inside of the boat at the moment, making panels so that the upholsterers can come and take them away and upholster them, and then they can be glued back in position. The green covering is just a plastic shield to protect them. Woohoo! Oh, I love that colour. Crazy, eh? That's the main head. Saloon. You can actually see how it's really going to look now. The bunk bottoms are in. Rear port quarter berth. Rear starboard quarter berth. It's all happening. Oh, you got the toilet in! Woohoo!
Here with you, with this beautiful, beautiful thing.
Made up, trimmed up, all the baseboards and backings and stuff like that to the right size and gapped, and then the upholsterer he can come out and take patterns of all the squabs and take all the boards away and start covering them.
Roundy.